Friend, there's this fear, universal fear, that has crippled destinies down. It has kept so many visions, dreams, and purposes in bondage. Even many people have died with their visions. They went to the grave with their visions and dreams because of this fear. This is the fear of starting something that many people are doing, or starting something that many people have done already. Many destinies and many lives has been crippled. Many great destinies has become nothing because of this. When people want to start something and they look at the competition going on in that thing that they want to start, is it a ministry, in career, or business? Sometimes people, instead of being encouraged by this, they are discouraged. They say they can't fit in, they can't make it, the competition is too much. Many people have done this, many people are doing this, so I can't do this. But friend, instead of being discouraged, you have to be encouraged by that. There's this man in the Bible, instead of being discouraged, he was encouraged by it. His name was Luke. In Luke chapter 1 from verse 1 to verse 3, it says, "For as much as many have taken in hand to set forth in order a declaration of those things which are most surely believed among us, even as they delivered them unto us, which from the beginning were eyewitnesses and ministers of the word, it seemed good to me also, having had perfect understanding of all things from the very first, to write unto thee in order, most excellent Theophilus." Friend, Luke said, many people have written this book that I'm about to write, but instead of that being a discouragement, I am taking it as an encouragement, and he wrote his own. And when the Gospels were picked, his own 4 books were picked, and his own became one of the 4. Friend, even Luke's book is mostly preferred among the 4 Gospels. The script of this film, The Passion for Christ, is from Luke. Yes, because a man chose not to be discouraged by how many people that has done what he's about to do. Friend, you don't have to be discouraged. You have to be encouraged and start that thing that you are convinced that God has laid it in your heart to do, and you are afraid of doing it because of how many people, because of the competition in it. Is it ministry? Don't mind how many churches that you are seeing. If God has asked you to start. You can also become successful. You can climb the top. Is it business? You can also be successful. Is it career? You can also be successful, not minding how many people have done it before you. So don't be discouraged, because the book of Luke became successful. That was what gave Luke the ability, the encouragement to write the book of Acts, which has blessed so many people today. Had it been he didn't write the book of Luke because of discouragement, maybe the book of Acts couldn't have been today. All the things that the apostles did could have been something that nobody could lay hands on, because somebody somewhere were discouraged to start something because of how many people have done it before. Friend, you have to be encouraged by that. Don't be discouraged. Just like Luke, be encouraged by it. Yes, being the last doesn't mean that you are going to be the least. After all, John the Baptist was the last of the Old Testament prophet, but he became the greatest of them all. You have to start. You have to start something that God has deposited in your heart to start. Friend, if you don't start it today, it will be more difficult for you to start it tomorrow. And like a joke, you may even die with it, and people will not be blessed. Friend, many people won't be saved. Many people won't be blessed. Many people won't go higher if you don't write that book, if you don't start that business, if you don't start that ministry, if you don't start that thing that God has laid in your heart to do. It's time to start. Don't be afraid of how many people that have done it. Be encouraged by it. Fight that fear. Be encouraged by it. That's what great men have fought, and they are now they are now great. You too, you can do it, not minding how many people have done it. God bless you. I pray for you that God will give you the grace to start that in Jesus' name.